Insight presents In the Kitchen with Inspired Nutrition by Kelley, brought to you by Fresh Thyme.
Welcome back to Insight. We're with Kelley here from Inspired Nutrition by Kelley, and Fresh Thyme is bringing us all these ingredients to make a what?
A delicious detox salad.
Ooh,
yes,
very nice.
Yes, it's the perfect time for it. So we've got spring coming, and we just naturally go through a detox phase anyway, and this speeds everything up for you and assists your whole system.
Yeah, all these ingredients are fresh at Fresh Thyme, and I know almost all of these except these guys over here. Not sure what that is.
Yeah, well, those are gonna come into this as well. Now, these are almonds, and let me tell you, almonds are great for cleansing. They've got all kinds of phytonutrients in them. They're just awesome. But what's great about these is that I actually got raw almonds that you can get at Fresh Thyme in the bulk section, and I just soaked them overnight, and you can't believe how much of the phytic acid comes off of it, and that acid actually it deters our digestion. It kind of stops it a little bit. So if you can rinse all of that off, and then the skins just fell off, and then you've got these beautiful, still crunchy, plump almonds that are perfect for digestion and cleansing.
Excited to try that. Now the rest of these things are usually in the big list of things that are good to eat. Obviously vegetables, kale, a lot of good stuff.
Yes, I mean, just these are packed with enzymes, which is so important because this is going to help break down any food that you have digestion-wise, packed with vitamins and minerals. It's just going to help pull out all of these toxins, and we really detox so that we can have more energy. We want to clear up our skin. We want to clear up our thinking. We just want to assist our body in doing the natural process. So this is all so helpful.
All right, so how are we going to prepare it?
This is really simple. I just got all of these vegetables here, right? And I just cleaned them up, and I'm just going to take them one by one, and I'm just going to put them through, kind of messy here. We'll just stuff them in there just beautifully like that. It'll be great. So all I'm going to do is just spin this up a little bit here. I'm going to do that for each one, and you'll see as I go, and we'll have these bright, beautiful colors, and we'll just stir it up and throw some dressing on it. So it's really very simple.
So obviously this goes really fast with the blender. I've never chopped a salad in a blender before.
Yes.
It's ingenious.
You can't believe how fast this goes. So there you go. All I did was chop it and put some broccoli in there. Bam, that is it. That is all it takes.
So simple, so
yes.
easy. And then look at what you get here.
Yes.
Now we're gonna stir this up obviously, but I mean right there is kind of, you could take it to the table like that.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna add some more broccoli. We already added our nuts and our seeds.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna do our dressing. So our dressing is just gonna use this wonderful olive oil, which we love. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of this. And I'll let you whisk this together here in a second.
Yep.
So this is going to be so detoxing, and those enzymes are going to be wonderful, packed with minerals and vitamins. Here is a ½ cup of lemon water, fresh squeezed lemon. That's so refreshing and detoxifying. We've got some honey, and we get this honey from Fresh Thyme, and this is beautiful local honey. This helps with allergies. It's just a really nice, wonderful, natural sweetener. So we're just gonna add our honey there, and then some fresh ginger. Oh, perfect for detoxing. This is gonna spice it all up. It's gonna be warming and beautiful, and just a little bit of mustard. So this is just gonna be 2 teaspoons here of this mustard. It's just gonna give it kind of a tang. And I tell you what, with that lemon and ginger.
So good.
Oh, it's so good. So all we're gonna do is just whisk that together, throw it on there, and you've got a beautiful detox salad. And this will last for days. You can just grab a big bowl of it and just eat until your heart's content, because it's low in calorie, it's got tons of fiber. It's just fantastic for you. So I hope you'll enjoy it.
There you go. Get the Fresh Thyme app on the app store of your choice and save a lot of money. And we will be right back on Insight.